First open the pixsellab app, link in description. So now delete the text and go to last option and choose from gallery and choose your screenshot for your size of your phone. No need to crop anything and click the tick icon. Now go to last before option and choose shapes and choose. Now fully crop the size of the shape rectangle fully. You will see the option radius. Just increase the radius up to 8. So click the plus icon and so now go to relative position and click center. So now go to relative size and choose 100 first and click the tick icon. So now go to center again and click center. So now go to copy and choose color black and go to relative size and decrease some size 90 to 95 is enough. I am keeping 94. So now relative position center and merge two layers and now go to erase color option and erase the color black. 12 turns up to 30 is enough. So now go to color, first relative position. If you want to see the frame, click. Now go to colors and choose color white and go to last before option and choose transparent and now export the photo. You will get a phone frame.